Will you press the button? Well, let's see how it goes. The first one is everything you see is one color of your choice. But you get Godzilla as a pet and ride it around. Okay, let's see. Basically, you'd be colorblind. But you'd get Godzilla. Seeing as I'm not colorblind at the moment, I would maybe not press the button. Because, I mean, can you think of it as like you get a huge dinosaur, and if you want to ride it, how will you climb on it? You're gonna climb on his on his toes, and what do you do? Just ride on his toes, or what? So I mean that's pretty silly. And then when he takes a step forward, you just bounce around on top of his toes. Nah, man, I will not press the button. And well, apparently, I'm in the minority, and people like bouncing around on Godzilla's toes. Yeah. Next. You can destroy everyone you hate or dislike in a heartbeat without getting caught. But you will slowly die inside after every person you kill. No, that's easy, man. You don't go around and kill people and or destroy them or whatever. That's hard pass. Nah. Okay, yeah. Okay, the world is still good. You can freeze, unfreeze time, and move around freely to do as you please. That's very good. Oh, this is pretty good. What's the downside? Every time you do so, you age 3 months, no matter how long time is frozen. Huh. Okay, wait. So, you can freeze time for 3 months, right? And then you age 3 months, no matter, So you could freeze time for a year. You just age 3 months. That's a win, right? And I mean, maybe a downside would be if when stuff is frozen, maybe you can't interact with it or something. Like imagine you're at the beach and you just freeze time, and it's like you can't step on the water because it doesn't move. So yeah, but they don't tell me that. So you can do it as you please. So, or imagine like you're in a car crash and you want to freeze time and just like just dodge out of the way. Oh, that's oh, yes. I pressed the button. Of course. Sensible people. 62%. Next. You have a superpower that allows you to improve any part of your body up to inhuman capacities. What does this mean? Any part of your body? Any part of your body? Any part? No. But you lose lifespan each time you use it. Okay, same as previous. How much lifespan though? Is it like 3 months? I'd be okay with 3 months. Okay. Nah, man, that's whack. That's whack. You just like there's a bank robbery and you You have to be like, okay, I have a superpower, but at the same time, you can use it whenever you want. If you don't want to use it, just don't use it, right? But how much lifespan? How much lifespan? Nah, that's like deal with the devil type of stuff. Nah, never mind. Yeah, but yeah, people want to do it. What do we have here? You can have sex with whoever you want, but you can never orgasm. That's easy. Yes. And you can destroy the universe and rebuild it as you see fit, like Thanos maybe. Not really, but kinda. The downside, the new universe cannot have any qualities that resemble this one. Oh man, no gravity, no people, no matter as we understand it. Nah. I mean, you can destroy the universe. First of all, I don't want to destroy the universe. I don't want to rebuild it because I'm a part of the universe, and if I rebuild it, I only know this universe. How would I rebuild it? Would I just build like a 2D world, 2D universe? Nah, too much. That's too much responsibility. No, thank you.